Good afternoon, safety zones, and we are back for part 5 of the Lego Bag80 build along. Catching with what we did yesterday. So here we are. So obviously it's starting to take shape with both suspensions mounted to the chassis. So without further ado, let's continue. As always, I should say, highly recommended you sort your Lego prior to this. Maybe sort of read ahead, see what kind of stuff you're going to need. Start arranging it into boxes, into bowls, so you know what to get. There's nothing worse than having to do this for 15 minutes. It's not there, it's not there, it's not there. Oh, it's there. So, Lego building tip. Now I just wanted to stop here a second and show you as we make the engine. Now, as you may be aware, cars have a engine, well, apart from electrical ones, which are called a combustion engine, in which sparks set off the fuel and little micro explosions happen and move things. And this is really a good example of showing what goes on. Okay, that's the cam profile. But we can see here, here's the cylinders, and it's a 6 in line. So, an inline 6. So you've got 2 banks of these. And what happens is, when there's an explosion, it moves the cylinder up and it turns the crank, and that's how a car produces energy. So a very good example of showing it, and that's a one-to-one representation of it. So hopefully we're going to get some better footage in 2 seconds when it's made, but I just thought I'd share that with you. So we're going to call this video to an end. As you can see now, we have got the engine mounted. So when you do this, you can see the pistons moving in and out. I'm not quite sure how that moves up to that sort of crank, because there seems to be some sort of gap there. I don't understand, even if it's compressed, how that would work, but who knows what the future's got. And that will wrap it up for today. Excellent.